It's recording. Get the gun right up in here. Make sure it's just one shot.
Trying to see.
Oh, there it is right there. Make sure you don't hit it. No. See, dude? That's what I was saying.
Make sure I don't hit him.
Just make sure you hit him, bro. You don't have to shoot him in the head. Can't be shooting a bunch of shots out here.
Take another shot.
No. He's got shake the branch. Try to shake that tree if you can. He'll probably fall. He'll probably fall. But he's still alive.
He's holding in there.
Yeah, he is.
Should I take one more shot?
You don't think it's too loud?
Let me get where you're at again so I can get a broad shot.
Get him right in the middle.
Here he comes.
Get him! Get him, guys! Get him!
Yeah.
Get him, guys! Get him! Get him, guys! Got him! Got him, Mad Dog! Got him, Happy! You guys got him! Get him! You guys got him! Alright, hold this. You got him! Hell yeah!